REI Unlock family, what is happening, y'all? So we released some new analytics dashboards for everyone's account, whether you have an essentials plan, professional plan, AI plan, or sorry, platinum plan. We released some new dashboards. Okay, so what each of these are some line graphs to basically show you the distribution of your leads. So it's going to track new leads that have come into the lead pipeline, leads that have come into the acquisitions pipeline, how many appointments you've got, and the deals you've sent to Dispo. So what you'll eventually be able to see is, okay, well, over this month-long period, we had 80 leads come in, we had, I don't know, 30 go to acquisitions, and now we have 2 deals in Dispo. And so that'll eventually give you a guide of like, hey, this is how many leads it's going to take us. You'll be able to see how much those leads cost you. And then down here, you'll be able to see, your open revenue. And then when you move it to one, you'll be able to see your one revenue, actually closed deals. And so what you can begin to track is your exact cost per deal, which is super essential to this business. And that's why we created this dashboard. So I also attached a couple of screenshots to the email that this should come in to show you a live account. That is actually someone's account using the system. And those are actually the results that they're getting. So they're freaking crushing it. You see, they have like 5 deals in Dispo within the last month. And you saw all the leads and appointments and stuff that they had. That's actual data. And then they had like $210,000 of closed deals. So use the system, you track your business, you amplify your business, and you can freaking explode it. That's why we're creating this, to make it easier for you and to give you even more insight. So that's just one dashboard. To get there, all you need to do is come here to this dashboard page, click this blue button, and then the main one is going to be called main dashboard. Everybody will have access to that. And then if you're on an AI account, it's going to be called AI dashboard. And quickly, I'll show you what that looks like as well once I get it pulled up here. All right, so this is the AI dashboard. As you can see, it's going to count AI caller potential leads and AI texter potential leads. Why does it say potential? Because these people are responding. They haven't said they're not interested yet or wrong number or anything like that, but they may not be a fully qualified lead. So they may be entertaining the process of getting an offer or having a conversation with a bot, but maybe they're not super qualified, right? So I could delete potential because they're engaging in the conversation, and the conversations are always about selling your property. So if they're saying wrong number or not interested, they're not going to be counted in this. Everyone else are people who, are actually engaging. And so what you get here is account for the callers, account for the texters, and again, an account for your appointments. Okay, so that's just going to give you an immense amount of insight, direct insight to how your bots are performing and, what they're bringing in for you. And you still get, all the opportunity value and stuff like that. So you control it up here with the date dash. You can pick, the last week, this week. You could just pick like today or something like that, and it'll see all the data there. And again, the AI dashboard screenshot I sent you is from a live account, someone's real account that they're actually getting results with. Those are real calls, real leads that it's booking with them. You can see in one of the screenshots, they generated over 100 leads on one day. So here, let me actually pull it up for you guys. You should be able to see my screen still, long as Loom isn't acting funky. But you can see on the AI dashboard, they have over 120 plus leads on one of these days. Other days are getting 80, and then they're consistently able to generate between 10 and 20, as you can see here over time. The AI caller, they haven't used them a ton, but on their peak days, they got 20 potential people, and on average, they're getting like 2 to 4 when they're using it actively. And then you can see all the appointments coming through here. And this, again, the closed revenue. So let me know if you guys got any questions about this. Let us help you crush it. Peace.